must be practice lawnmower skills in the parking lot day. You know, I gotta make some fun of that. You see a couple lawnmowers tooling around in the parking lot. That's where we gain our skills before we go out on these wonderful roads that we have here and traffic. Yeah, it's amazing. We gotta trust complete strangers out here with your well-being. Think about that, huh? I know you have.
Wait till later in the video. You'll see that come into play.
And they say, don't have road rage. Don't have road rage. Why? You don't know somebody. You're not too happy when they make a decision to be overly, what do you say, controversial, right, on your life and their care, just as a human being. Yeah. Yeah. It's our own buttons, isn't it? I'm gonna go get me a little fuel up in here. This fuel always is special. It's invigorate. Let's see. You don't know how much fuel you got, Dean. Let's just fill it up and take a check. I think this is where I made the Hooligan. Let's make fuel stops great again. Does it look familiar? We're gonna get a Hooligan fuel stop in here.
Could we just make fuel stops great again?
Recycled Hooligan fuel stop. Much important. They are to me. It reminds me of a good friend. Let me know. I don't remember. Yeah. Setting you up for the old El Commento. Huh? Not really. $3.88, almost $4 a gallon. But I'm getting the best. I'm getting premium. My first half gallon or gallon will be whatever was selected last. Because I only got one hose. That's kind of a rip-off, yeah. I guess you get a discount for being a motorcycle because I'm only going to take a couple gallons, 3.5 usually. And a gallon of that is not going to be what's recommended for the bike, which is high grade premium, right? Roll on by, man, roll on by. Well, there's your fuel stop. I stopped and I got fuel and I slung some on my gas tank. I saw it last second. I waited for the drip to go, but I didn't wait long enough. All right, let's see how she performs. Does she like this fuel stop? Probably got mud in the tank. She gets clogged once in a while. Oops. I gotta be able to lift my leg higher. I'm not a very good dog. Not a very good fire hydrant pose. Bill got him some Ape Hangers, so it's up as high as his head. Little extra ape on the hang. You say you want them shoulder, but who knows why. You get what's comfortable for you. Plus you get what you think you like. What do you like? And can you handle your motorcycle better up there? Those are all things I would want to consider. It feels funny already. Let's see. No, she's not dying. Oh, I got kilometers. I have a feeling she's gonna roll just fine to work. You know, I get a little antsy once in a while because bike don't want to run and you're out on the road, it makes you feel a little funny. A little funny. Funny like how? Look at that old Galaxy, man. That is nice, or whatever that is. We made it in. Wasn't easy. It's Saturday weekend. Everybody wants to roll on over to the Virginia Beach and celebrate their weekend. Guy's got a funny sounding car. Does poppy, snappy, weird. They must be computerized. They have them set up so they'll run lean or rich or whatever the heck they do. Retarded. You know when you retard something? Yeah, Mr. U-Haul's gonna wanna roll up on me fast. He didn't like me butting in front of him back there, I guess. He's gonna make a fashion statement. I just leave more space up here. Must have really made him mad. He can't stay on his lane though. Somebody's got new exhaust, wants to try it out in the old tunnel. That was the retarded one I was talking about. It's not retarded, it's fun. Just saying, just saying. I think it's great. Uh-oh. And my bike sounded funny. Yeah, it's chopping.
It's gonna do something funny. I know it, and here it comes. It wasn't starving for fuel though. It was humming good back there. Pulled the front end right on up.
Hey.
There we go. Back to normal, like nothing ever happened.
Weird, it won't stop until you stop and reset it. It's alright, we take the beachy way now. Everything for a reason. Let's see if this was it. Got lane crossers, be careful. And make sure they see you. Like good old Dave from Australia. The Australian channel. He chimed in with me when I said Because the common phrase is, we didn't see the motorcycle. We didn't see him. What up? Did you come to pass me or just right up beside me? See this side got all the manholes and bumpies and poopies and well, that's why I hesitate with this motorcycle sometimes. I go like, man, nobody can figure out how to take care of that minor issue. Other than that, runs like freaking nuts, man. You saw him pulling the front end up off the ground real easy back there on the off ramp. I was goosing it a little to see if it was starving for fuel or what was happening. She just wanted to sputter. Like if it had a bad ignition or who knows. I wish I knew how to understand. Let's just pull her out, or stop. It wasn't looking at me at all. Here's a ding dong. Don't let that detour your mood. Ding dongs are ding dongs. Not a damn thing you can do about it. There's another ding dong. Another ding dong. That's the self-importance, right? I know it. Touch up. That's gone. You got the next mission ahead, the alley. It's up to me to look out for the hazards. And I had 2 in a row right there. That's the stuff that just makes you want to get up and get out of the damn metropolitan area for the most part, because you have a whole lot less of those out where it's not so saturated with traffic. Strangers, ding dongs and whatever. There we go. This guy know what he's doing. That's the guy that about ran over me. That's the dude that about ran over me. Yeah, at that intersection. Now he's coming in up through the one, which, you know, I've done it too, but in a car. Just saying, one on top of another. That's my next mission there. You'll find out how groovy of a guy this is. Huh? You like to run over me? He sure did. Watch if he came up and he's a big dude to approach me, I'd be singing a different song most likely. People give ass whoopings. I don't want an ass whooping. I just want to bitch. I want to bitch and complain. You know, we all know how rotten we are, right? I don't need anybody else to tell us any different. He's still out there. Yeah. Gotta cool the engines, man. We're done with this ride. See you later.
In case you didn't remember, hit that like, hit that share and copy link, and give me a subscribe. If you like what you saw, come on back next time. Bye.